Forgot your Dahua DVR password? Don't panic. Today I'll show you the official and 100% legal reset method using serial number. Step 1. Note your DVR serial number from the login screen. Step 2. Write down the current date and time exactly as shown on the screen. Step 3. Email your local Dahua distributor or official support with serial number and current date. They will send you a reset file, usually a .bin file. Step 4. Copy the reset file to a USB drive. Step 5. Insert the USB into your DVR. The system will automatically detect the reset file. The system will automatically detect the reset file. Now set your new secure password. And that's it! Your Dahua DVR is successfully reset using the official serial number method.